In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all contacts in Constant Contact. Exporting your contacts is useful anytime you need a backup, want to move your list to another system, or simply want to review your audience data in a spreadsheet. Constant Contact lets you export selected contacts into a CSV file, which is a common format that works well with tools like Excel and Google Sheets. First, sign into your Constant Contact account and go to the main navigation. Click Contacts to open your contact list. This is the area where you can view everyone in your account, along with details like email address, name, and any other information you have collected. Next, you will select all contacts at once. Look at the top of the list above the individual contact rows and find the top checkbox. Check that box to select all contacts currently shown in the list. This is the quickest way to export everyone without selecting them one by one. If your account has many contacts, the page may take a moment to update after you select all, so give it a second before continuing. Once everything is selected, go to the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Export Selection. This tells Constant Contact that you want to export the contacts you just highlighted. After that, you will see options to choose what information gets included in the export. Select the fields you want to include in your CSV file. For most people, it is helpful to include key fields such as email address, first name, last name, and any tags or custom fields you use to organize your list. Choosing only the fields you need can make the file easier to read and work with. When you are ready, click Export to start the process. Constant Contact will prepare the file, and when it is ready, you will download it. Look for the blue notification bar at the top of the screen, then click Download CSV. If you do not see the notification, you can also access the download through the Activity tab, where completed exports are listed. Once the CSV downloads, save it somewhere you will remember, and consider keeping it in a secure location since it contains contact data. And that is all there is to it.